Hi everyone! Welcome back to another video with Wonderful Boys, and today we're actually in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and the hotel we're checking today is
Aloft Kuala Lumpur Sentral.
Yep, so this hotel is actually located in KL Sentral itself, like just right beside it. So to get here from the airport, it's just like you can take Grab for 1 hour depending on traffic condition. What we did was we take a KL Express, which is about 28 minutes away only, and it's very convenient because, like I said, it's right beside the hotel is located right beside the station itself. So around here, the nearest mall is actually Nu Sentral, which is also a lot of food options, a lot of shopping options, and just like 2 minutes walk away is linked as well by a sheltered walkway, so it's very convenient. And you want to get around other malls, you just take Grab. And around here is actually really not too bad because going around is actually very convenient. And the room category we got today is?
This is the Urban King room, and this room is about 33 square meters, which is about the same size as the entry-level rooms. So I believe that this room is just on a higher floor. We're actually on the 28th floor, which is the second highest floor of this property. And they say that this room comes with complimentary minibar. So we'll have a look at the room in a bit later. We're also going to look at the other facilities that the hotel has. I believe that the hotel has a well-equipped fitness center as well as a nice rooftop pool, so we're very excited to share with you that. And of course, when we go for breakfast tomorrow and the following day, we're going to share with the experiences as well.
Yep. So if you're new here and subscribe, don't wait, just scroll down a little bit, click the button and turn on your notification bell, and you'll be notified when we have new video out.
Yeah.
So without further ado, shall we check out the room?
Yeah.
Let's go. Welcome to the room. So this is the Urban King room, and once you come in here, on the right side here is where you put the card key. Remember, you need to put the card key to activate the power because still not that modern yet, but it's okay. And switch for you to switch on the do not disturb if you need to, and the master switch over here. And also, once you come in here on the left side, that's where the bathroom is, and we'll check it out first. Okay, so over here, once you come in, on this side here, this is the shower area, main shower area. What I like is that it's actually quite spacious, and also the water power, the pressure is actually very good as well. But one thing is that they only have this shower head. There's no handout shower or rain shower. It's actually like a combined kind of thing. But of course, you can actually adjust the type of spray. Okay, and also this is the dry bar that they use the amenity. Okay, something to note about the door to this bathroom is that this shower area is that it's actually shared with the WC area. So if you close this area, WC will be exposed. And you see WC is actually closed, right? Once I open it, it will be closed for the shower area. Yeah. So this is the WC area. Nothing special, just a very basic WC area with a handout bidet as well. And right opposite this area is actually let me put this back to normal. So right opposite this area is actually the main wardrobe area. And this area here, a lot of hanging space for you to put your clothes, this good size hanger. You know, some hotels provide those very cheap, thin hangers, but these are actually quite sturdy, I feel. And opposite here, mirror. And opposite here is where you find the safe and all that, amenities. And right in the middle of the bathroom is where you find the vanity. So disposables amenities are all here. Bottled waters is where you find over here as well. Okay, so the bathroom size over here, the dry area, is actually quite nice. So it's quite spacious. For you to, you want to put your luggage, put your things, you can as well. But of course, luggage, I think put outside is better because there's even more space, which I'll show you now. Let's go. Okay, so over here is where you find the aircon switch control to control the temperature, of course. And on the left side here, it's where you find the ironing board and the iron. It's a little bit heavy, and it's a bit high, so just be careful when you want to take it out. And very thoughtfully, they actually have a power point right over here already, so it's easily to connect. Okay, so moving in, this is the carpeted area already. Behind is all tiled, so over here is carpeted area, which is the main bedroom area. So over on this side, the left side here, this is the king size bed. It's pretty comfortable. I would say it's okay, like maybe 6.5 out of 10, I feel. Okay, both sides of the bed would have power point. Over here, you can't see it, but it's actually right below, so don't be fooled. And over there, it's actually on top. Okay, And the switches here to control the lights if you need to. Okay, it's a bit complicated to switch on the light on and off, so you have to figure it out yourself. Yeah, because the switch and this switch is like a dual switch. Okay, so moving there, they actually have this very cute, cool pink color bin bag. I'm quite a fan of bin bag. It's pretty comfortable, but I don't know. It's a bit weird in this position, but maybe because of the TV, which is over here. So it's a huge, sorry, pardon my language, huge TV. I think this is like what, 50, 60 inch? Yeah, it's very big and it's swivelable. So if you need to, you can actually connect your cable behind to project your stuff. You can watch it from the bed, you can watch it on the bin bag. Yeah, and right below, it's where you find the mini fridge, the mini bar area. These are actually complimentary, I think, to the elite members, but I'm not sure to other people, are they complimentary as well? You may have to check with the concierge before you open it, okay? And right beside is actually where you find the amenities like the coffee, tea and all that, and more bottled water over here. Oh yeah, this is actually stocked daily, so if you are like a Singaporean like me, you should know what to do, okay? There are a lot of storage spaces for all this stuff lah, okay? So you know what to do. Okay, so right beside here, it's where you find a mini sofa, which is a little bit awkward because you are watching the bed. But if you swivel the TV, it's okay. It's just that it might be a bit too close, and you can't really tilt it to a right angle because of the window area. Yep. So and over here is where you find the desk, and very kindly they give us this welcome amenity as a cookie with a handwritten note. I think it's handwritten. I'm not sure. I would think it's handwritten lah. Yeah. Okay. And also PowerPoints over there, and HDMI cable if you want to connect it, but we haven't tried, we're not sure if it works, and also the lamp over here. So, and over here, we're actually located at the 28th floor of this building. The rooftop, I think is like 29, 30, so we're actually quite high. And over here, we overlook the other buildings as well. So that's Hilton, Le Méridien, St. Regis. So very big hotels are all here. And you actually see this is below here, this is the roof of the KL Sentral where you take the train to the MRT, to the airport and all that. Yep. So it's very conveniently located. Shopping mall is also just right below. It's connected to the shopping mall as well, yeah. Okay, so once again, this is the Urban King Room. It's 33 square meters. And if we have time, we're probably going to show you the other amenities like the pool, which I think is going to be beautiful. It's a rooftop pool, so stay tuned. And also breakfast, the food, and other things that we can show you, we'll just show you. Yeah.
The hotel has a nice rooftop pool with several sunbeds for guests to utilize. The infinity pool overlooks the surrounding KL Sentral area. A 24-hour fitness center is available with an adequate variety of equipment. The lobby area is rather cozy and a pool table is free for guests to use.
Right, good morning. So we're now at Nook, and this is a breakfast service at Aloft KL Sentral. So let's talk a bit about the place. I would say it's a bit quite gloomy here because we're at the outside. If you sit in the inside of the restaurant, there's actually some natural light coming in. So it's a very big buffet spread. There's a lot of food options that's available. Everything is you must take yourself. They don't serve any beverage to you. So you can see there is like a coffee, tea, this teh tarik, as well as some juices. I'm not sure if they are fresh. It can be fresh, and there are also options of chilled juices as well. So let's first talk about some Western selections. So this is, as you can see in this plate over here, there is eggs done your way, but the scrambled eggs do look a little bit dried, and comes with various sides like a pumpkin, hash browns, ham, as well as cherry tomatoes. So it does look quite decent. There are also other options as well for the Western selections that we didn't take, like the sausages. And we can move on to talk about the Asian selections here, which are quite plenty. And let's first talk a little bit about this noodle station. There's a noodle station that can make noodles, different kinds of noodles and different condiments that you can select. In this case, we got the curry noodles. There are also options like a chicken noodles and vegetarian noodles. So it does look quite nice. There are also various kinds of other items like sweet sour fish, vegetables, fried rice, fried noodles. So if that's something that you prefer, you can also do that as well. There's also the very popular here, the roti canai station, which makes fresh roti canai, and also they make toasty if that's what you want. But it's in demand, so you might need to wait there for quite some time. And it comes with dal or potato curry, whichever that you wish to have. So that is the Asian selections, and also of course there is desserts. You can see desserts or pastries, and we can see here on this plate we had a bread butter pudding as well as some local kueh. This is I'm not sure what kueh this is, and then you have some chocolate Danish as well as a muffin, red velvet muffin. So there are also waffles, there's pancakes, a lot of things, especially for your kids. And to end it off, we have some fresh fruits here, good selections of honeydew watermelon as well as pineapple. And also, I believe I saw oranges. I can't remember, I think it was oranges. Okay, so that's it that we have for you in this particular breakfast. So I'll probably see you later when we summarize the entire video. Okay, so we're just about to check out here from our stay at Aloft Kuala Lumpur Sentral. So let's give a summary about our stay. So first of all, location. How do you find the location?
It's quite well located. It's like right beside the KL Sentral, which is the train to airport, and also right beside there's a mall, the Nu Sentral Mall, which is a lot of food options as well. So it's linked by a link bridge as well. So if it's rain or whatever, you can just still get to the mall very easily. And in fact, you want to go around this area, grab around, take a private hire, it's very convenient as well.
Yeah, so I think location-wise not too bad. And the hotel is also actually fairly nice, I would say. And check-in experience was pretty smooth. We got our room pretty quickly. And this is actually the Urban King room. They actually measure the same size as the entry-level rooms, the deluxe rooms, but it's on a higher floor, and we also have a complimentary minibar. So can you give some comments about the room?
I think the room is pretty nice. There's a lot of, even though just 33 square meters, the king size bed itself take up quite a amount of space, but there's still a lot of space around the room for you to like put your luggage wide open, throw your things around, and there's still a lot of space.
Yeah.
And one thing I like about the toilet is that the shower, I like the water pressure a lot, and it's like, for me, the shower experience really is affected by the water pressure.
Okay.
This is a great shower experience.
Yeah. So let's talk a bit about the facilities. There is a nice rooftop pool which overlooks the city, and also a fitness center which opens 24 hours. I thought the fitness center was quite well equipped, yeah?
I think the fitness center, if I'm not wrong, the heaviest dumbbell is actually 25 kilo.
Yeah.
So you may want to take note of that if you are heavy lifter.
And breakfast is served at Nook. You went for the breakfast, so how was it?
I think our breakfast options, it's quite nice. Their roti canai, it's not bad as well, but you have to take note it's quite a popular option, so you might have to wait a while and snatch.
Yeah, so okay, that's it that we have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, do give us a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to our channel if not already done so. If not, we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.